Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Psychometrics, Data Science and Career Solution. In this video, I am going to explain what is an abstract and how to write an abstract. Before explaining what is abstract and how to write abstract, please subscribe my channel so that you can regularly receive educational documentaries and tutorials. So first we clarify what is an abstract. An abstract is actually a brief summary of any research article, a thesis, or conference proceeding, or any other research activity which has been written in detail, and the abstract actually present the brief summary of that detailed research activity. The abstract is very helpful and it helps the researcher to understand the basic nature of the study before reading its detail. So, abstract is one of the preliminary, prefactory component of any research activity. So, now let's come to the how to write an abstract. Most of the students I have observed in my research and in academic career that they are confused about the contents of the abstract and they miss either of these six contents of the abstract. So, for writing a standard abstract, the following six content should be included in the abstract. The abstract should be started by writing the background or introduction of the study. And keep in mind the abstract words range from 150 to 300 words, depending on what this study is. So, starting from the background, then by the aim and objectives, and then the methodology. The methodology must include the research design, the population and sample, the data collection, and analysis techniques. And then one line about the results of the study, and then the discussion on that results. In the end, there should be implication, recommendations, and conclusion. So these six contents, once included in abstract, can make an abstract very attractive, and the reader can understand the nature of the study right at the beginning before reading the whole study. So thank you for watching my video. See you again in some other documentary on the other aspects of the research.